Hi, this is Phoebe Tonosaki here. So I'm going to show you no cardstock easy video here for my bigger paper album using the Graphic 45 flower market and time to flourish. So here is the album here, and no measurement video we just make actually can put into here like this, just to, and then it will look like this when we put it decorate from standing. Okay, so it's very beautiful with lots of flowers, but it's a very complicated tutorial. So I was thinking, so something with the cardstock too much measure or cutting or scoring is appreciated. So I thought of this one. So this is very simple, and first you will need a piece of paper this size, and then score ½ inch on here. Then you need another size here. So the paper is from Flower Market, it's a double side. So I am going to use this as the base of the video. So it will be beautiful flowers on the front and back. But then we have problem here, right? So let's assemble it here. I am going to add a page here so that it can cover this uneven graphic. So the size is here. Alright, let's do it first. So actually this is we are using the design paper as the function of cardstock. So it will use more paper but less cutting. So this paper is slightly smaller than this one. So you say it like this, and then I have two pieces here is pocket. The size is here, and we are going to fold the two sides, both left and right, and then bottom. So this is what are we going to do with this thin pocket. We are going to remember this one, the one we score ½ inch, and then we just put in a smaller paper on the top. We are going to create here as a tiny pocket. So and then the other one, roughly 1 inch, 2 inch, roughly 2 inch from the top. So you will ask what this is for. This is for storing some bits and bytes like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so when we put in a lot, it will be very gorgeous. Then the next step is I am going to use a paper, and with this size, actually it is the cut over, the leftover from cutting here, and with the no measurement, no cardstock rules, so we are going to use this ½ inch here as the connections, and this paper is the Folio base, alright? Once again, make sure the directions of the pattern is correct. And then I am going to glue this 1/2 inch into the back. So the glue is here. Right, and then it will be like this. Then we are going to put glue on here. To this 1/2 inch. So it will be like this, the mini pocket here, and then we have a page here with both sides beautiful, and then the back here. So now here is very awkward, so I am using one of the page from Time to Flourish. It is the one here, okay, to put it here. And then we actually has more from here, okay? And then I am going to use this as the spine, the connection parts, to glue it here. So you can basically just score it very casually. Because this is the purpose of this project. No too fussy measurements and yada yada. Okay, so we are going to use this area to put it on the back when we glue it here. So we will need glue here, and we will need glue here, to put it here, and then glue it here. Then we will have a video like this. Okay, we can put photos and message here, and then we also have this, which is here, right? So I am cutting it like this, cutting this part with a little bit here as the we can put it on the front or put it here. It's up to you. So it will be like this. And if you don't like here, you can always add something here. Okay, so it works perfectly. So it will be an easy Folio, just with simple cutting, the slightly measurements, and then this is beautiful on many surfaces.
Thank you so much for working through with me to create this easy no measurement video. And if you like what you see about the big paper album, you can contact me for further information or click the link of my website to further information. Bye bye.